guys, welcome back to my channel Vibing with Mahima. So today I'm going to unbox and review Mamaearth onion shampoo and conditioner. So the reviews will totally be honest because I've been using this for around 3 to 4 months and the results are quite amazing. I first ordered this using the Smitten app, the trial packs of these for around 99 rupees. So without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. Firstly, I'll be showing the unboxing and then I'll review the product. So guys, the price for 250 ml of Mamaearth onion shampoo is 349 rupees and the same goes for the conditioner. So it is paraben free and silicone free, dermatologically tested and for all hair types. So you can use it even if you have treated hair or colored hair. So as I told you earlier, I've been using this for around 3 to 4 months and I started seeing results after using it for 2-3 weeks. So my hair earlier were much frizzy and dry, but after using it my hair became much smoother and straighter, so I love my hair now. So the main key ingredient in this is onion, so I'll just mention some benefits of onion so you can go through them. Also the conditioner contains coconut in it, so my hair gets nourished and smooth after using the conditioner to much extent. As the name suggests, it contains onion in it, but it doesn't smell like onion, trust me guys, it smells so good. Also the conditioner smells really nice. I love the smell of the conditioner. So yes, this was my experience with Mamaearth onion shampoo and conditioner. I don't use Mamaearth hair oil, I just use pure coconut oil on my hair. So this was my review and experience. The best part of Mamaearth is that they are plastic positive. That means they recycle more plastic than they use. Also, when you buy any of the Mamaearth product, they link it with a tree. They plant a tree with linked with your order, so you can watch it grow. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you want, you can turn the notifications on so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. You can also comment down your reviews regarding Mamaearth hair care range anytime. So thank you for watching my video.